Khumalo allegedly paid 100,000 for Senzo Meyiwa to be eliminated, claimed one of the accused. 26 October 2014, then Orlando Pirates goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa was murdered at what was believed to be a home invasion. His then girlfriend Khumalo was implicated in the murder, as now evidence suggests she perhaps premeditated the murder. In a statement from accused number 2, Bongani Ntunza, allegedly he had received 45,000 while his co-accused received 30,000 from Khumalo. Furthermore, lead investigators have cell phone evidence linking Khumalo to the accused, painting her as the mastermind of this homicide. However, Bongani's statement conflicts with his claims. He claims Kelly ordered the hit, supported by evidence that is, while also claiming Mr. Mncube, accused number 5, shot Senzo Meyiwa while wrestling for the gun, unintentionally so, which is a paradox since this is a hit